Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin has now fallen to $103,000. Michael Saylor is still buying. Things are still looking good, but the question now remains at large. Will we see Bitcoin go below $100,000? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Crypto RJ. Today, we're going to be going over what exactly is going on in the markets and I guess obviously Bitcoin as a whole. So when you take a look at the markets, guys, you guys can see it looks dreadful, and I mean terrible. Bitcoin is at 103s, Ethereum is at 3.5. I mean, everything is just crashing, and it's like, god damn, like you don't even want to look at the markets right now. But what I will say, guys, is there is still a lot more I guess bullish factors that make me think that we're still, going to be having multiple all-time highs this year. Okay, now we're going to look at a couple of those things. So first off, guys, if you take a look at performance, Bitcoin is down about 3.5% today. It is down 9% in the past week, and it is down 16% this month. Now, if you take a look at the yearly gains, guys, we're now all the way down to 51%. Now, I did mention in all of my videos that once we start getting into mid to end November, this 1 year gain is going to start to be pretty much nothing, which is going to be interesting to see if that creates more demand and a stronger RSI. Okay, now with Bitcoin, we're going to go over the typical things. Okay, so first off, fun fact, just to start the video off a little lighthearted, you can now buy Bitcoin, or you've been able to buy Bitcoin with cash at train stations in Switzerland. Pretty cool. Now, I've been to Switzerland a couple times myself, and I've yet to see this, but hey, maybe next time I go, I'll do it and I'll document it for you guys. Now, the main news, guys, the main, I guess, article, and this is, it's interesting. It obviously makes a difference. Strategy buys another 397 Bitcoin for $45.6 million. This motherfucker just keeps on buying Bitcoin. It's pretty interesting. Okay, now this is the question again, guys. Do you think Bitcoin will fall below $100,000 in 2025? Now, me personally, guys, I don't think so. Now, the reason I say that, guys, is because the previous monthly closes have pretty much flipped Bitcoin from having a 100K resistance to a 100K support. Now, if you actually go ahead and take a look at all the monthly closes, you'll see this is the 6th month in a row now that we've closed consecutively over $100,000. So for Bitcoin to dip below 100,000, we're going to have to see a crazy either a tweet today from Trump or something outrageous that happens. It could happen, but again, it might just be a wick or it might just be a gap that needs to get filled. Okay, so again, I'm not too worried about it, but it is something to think about and something that is pretty interesting. Now, some more interesting news, guys. Yesterday's liquidation was $1.2 billion, and it was actually the top 10 liquidation events of all time. Now, one thing I will say, guys, is because of how large the market is right now, pretty much every single liquidation event is going to be one of the largest. Because remember, when we had liquidation events when Bitcoin was at like 60K, 50K, the actual market cap of crypto wasn't even that big to begin with. So obviously, as crypto grows, these liquidation events are going to get much larger when it comes to a dollar amount, okay? When it comes to a percentage amount, I'm not too sure, but I'd love to know. Now, Michael Saylor's strategy now holds 641,205 Bitcoin worth $69 billion. You literally can't make this shit up. Now, finally, guys, someone also just bought $86 million worth of Bitcoin. So it looks like whales are still buying the dip. I also myself just bought $100 billion worth. I'm kidding, obviously. But anyways, guys, that's today's Bitcoin update. If you guys do want more of these videos, make sure you guys smash the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.